One last time in the darkness, let's lie still as the night, and hold a shroud to cloud the growing light. Morning holds out a finger, pale as bone to the sky, a ray takes the slumber from my eyes. Down by the stream there's a maple, see how she sheds her leaves. Idle they fall to capture and enthrall, and then wash away downstream in the morning. Call the sunrise a street lamp, let the moonlight prevail. Call the brazen lark a nightingale. Through the veil of deception, there is one stubborn truth, the one to which we all must travel to. Down by the stream there's a maple, see how she sheds her leaves. Idle they fall to capture and enthrall, and then wash away to sea in the morning. So high and fades into a sky of boundless blue. The lark carries on with a morning song. So I stand by the water, breathing cold morning air. The leaves descend until the tree stands bare. Well, thank you. Diolch yn fawr iawn. My name's Gareth Bonello, and I'm playing with the stage name Gentle Good, and this is the Mavron Quartet here. It's Jennifer Garlish on vocals and Callum Duggan on bass. We're doing another song from an album that came out in 2011 called Tethered to the Storm, and this one's called Llosgi Pontyff, which is Burning Bridges. First I have to tune the guitar. Mae'r coed yn sythu yn ei seddi ger y llyn, a'r dŵr fel drych yn adlewyrch I bore gwyn. Ond yn fy nwrn dwi'n dal ar garreg o'r yn dyn, o weithiau mae ffawd yn cynnig llaw. Breuddwyd jesgi bod braidd am rhyfedd o dau byd, oedd drysord yn ofil o fewn I waniad byd. Breuddwyd jes ar y wynt yn siglo'r to fel cryd, o weithiau mae'r llai dan y rhaid yn llwch I gyd. Glywes swyn o gan ar awel ar yr oes, yr eos byr yn canu ar ei chlwyd ar oes. Glywes wychian y dyllian ar y rhos, o weithiau bydd sgrych yn drechu ar alad oes. Fe welais yr osyn coch yn fel ymysg y draen, estynais law I afel yn y coesyn mai, ac wedi'r nigor oedd y gwir I mi mor blaen, o weithiau mae rhaid sy'n ei gwaith i'n symud mlaen. Something in life. Diolch yn fawr iawn, thank you very much. This next song is off of a new album which I recently released called Bardan Farwon. It's all about a poet from the Tang Dynasty in China called Li Bai, and it sort of tells the life story of this poet. And this is called Marunad Chang Khan, and this is a song written from the viewpoint of the poet's wife, who is left alone for long periods of time while he goes off travelling around on the rivers of China looking for work. And so she's lamenting the fact that he's gone and wondering when he's going to come back, if at all.
Ni'n ddau mor llon a gwenyn. Dwi'n cofio rannu cysau dan silyn hafan wanwyn, pan oedd o'n dal yn ifanc a phethau'n llanc direidus. Byddai ein tro i nôl am beth i from hapus. Mi oedd o'n challu to am gadw gres y tân, am eistedd bron yr afon, at foroedd geir o'n llydan. Dawch y dref ar yr awen, ei mor drist mae rhain sy'n arwain at rewach i Ffrangiau. Fe'n pwyddiais mod yn hedfan fel ein wylan dros y dŵr. Dilynais wynt a cherynt am bydd y corfynt neithiwr, am bydd y corfynt neithiwr. Thank you very much. I'm going to shift over to the piano now. So this next song is called Old Window Song, and it's also another song from the album Tale of the Storm. Joseph Barb's quartet. Yeah. I am sleepless and sound, my thoughts are much haze, oh, they ceaselessly bound. And they send out great flocks from deep hiding places, long absent troubles return to the sky. When the sunrise is stained, and through my old window all colours of rain, as the dawn breathes anew, I see choirs of faces quietly burning a hole in my pride. So the days on again, with cold clattering wings, clear as a cry, sure as a gun, each has a tie that won't be undone, soft as a sun, they all sing along my old window song. And the daylight departs, a sorrowful shade finds a sorrowful heart. Through the old window pane, I see all I've done wrong. My thoughts turn to creatures, to faces, to songs. Les Dawson on the piano, everybody. We're going to be joined on stage by Richard James. Oh, there he is. So we're going to do another song from the Chinese album. This one's called Yfed Gyda'r Lleuad, Drinking with the Moon. And this is based on a famous poem that Li Bai wrote about drinking underneath a peach tree in the moonlight and inviting the moon down to have a drink with him. But unfortunately, or fortunately probably, the moon stays up in the sky and he invites his shadow for a drink instead. And obviously his shadow can match him all night long, cup for cup, so he ends up very drunk and dancing with his shadow. And so that's what this song is about. So, not that I'm saying that Rich is my drunken shadow.
That's exactly what I am, though. Of course, the actual advantage of being a shadow is that you never have to buy around him.
It's like I'm a guitar train.
Mae'r lleuad wedi sion i'r sen sy'n cuddio y syntod a minnau dan ei golwg yn yfed gyda'n ysgol. Mae awen oer y gwanwyn oes yn siglo coed y berllan. Dwi'n eistedd gyda'r gwyn yn glos dan law petalau sidan. Yn disglaen dros y ddaear fi, dyw'r lleuad ei fynnyfed. Pan godaf law i'n hwblanu, fy hysgol sy'n dynwared. Cyn dod â'r wawr dros ffriniau mai, cofleidion yn y lloer gan, ac addo cwrdd y benedau, lle llifau'r afon yr yn feddw clywed lebran coed a lleisiau oer y cerrig. Y gwair a'i ddagrau lib dan droed a chan y lleuad i ni.
Thank you very much. Diolch i Rich. This next song is called Brwydyr an Lwsian. This is based on, later on in Lee Bai's life, he decided to become a military advisor. And it didn't end well for him. He ended up advising the wrong side, I suppose. And so this song is my musical representation of a Chinese battle in the Tang Dynasty. And I'm not exactly sure how it's going to go because it's missing a lot of other parts, so we'll see. But I think